Hello students, in this video I will teach you chapter number 9 from English Reader. The name of the chapter is The Bond of Love. I will summarize the chapter to you and further after listening to the video you will read the book. And in case there is anything you don't understand you can ask me. I'll start with reading the summary and explaining the chapter. This story is about love and a very strong bond between a human and an animal. We learn that there is a bear whose name is Bruno and the author's wife who adopts him. So in this story there is an animal and it is a bear. The name of the bear is Bruno and Bruno is adopted by the writer's wife. Bruno was a sloth bear whom the author saved and gifted him to his wife. The author had saved this bear from an accident, so he had taken this bear home and gifted his wife. Sloth is actually a breed of bear. Further, as time passed, the wife grew very fond of Bruno and treated him like her own child. So as time passed, the wife was actually very close to the bear and she had always treated him like her own child. The family nourished him and helped him grow. The family had actually given him the food which was required for his consumption and also helped him grow. As Bruno starts growing up, he bonded with everyone from the children to the pet dogs. So as he grew up, he became friends with the children around him and also the pet dogs. He had his own bed and would play around with the little ones all day. So Bruno had his own bed to sleep on and he used to play with the pet dogs and children all day long. However, in an accident, one day he ate poison which was to kill rats. After consuming poison, Bruno got paralyzed and after proper treatment, they were able to save him. So one day what happened? Bruno had by mistakenly eaten poison which was supposed to kill rats. And after consuming the poison, Bruno was paralyzed. Paralyzed means the body does not move. And because of this, he was given proper treatment and only after the proper treatment, he was saved. After this incident, everything was normal, life was normal, but another incident took place. He drank up a whole gallon of old engine oil meant for termites. So he had actually, gallon is a container, he had drank a good amount of engine oil which was old and it was meant for termites. Termites are insects, but surprisingly it did not affect Bruno. But after he drank that oil, it did not affect him, it did not harm him. Bruno started growing in size but was equally sweet and playful. Upon growing, they changed his name to Baba, which meant a small boy in the Hindi language. So now, after these incidents took place, gradually Bruno was growing, and as he was growing, he was equally friendly and playful. He did not change, and as he grew up, his name changed from Bruno to Baba. Baba means a small boy in Hindi. He picked up a few tricks growing up and entertained everyone. So he had learned few things so that he could entertain everybody, and he used to do that so that everybody was happy. Nonetheless, his size was a problem, and being an animal, he was a threat to the children. His size was definitely a problem because he was a bear and bears are huge, and also because he was an animal, he was a threat to children. Children used to get scared of him, the ones who did not know him, who did not play with him every day. Therefore, everyone except the wife was ready to send him to a zoo as he was not fit as a pet now. So now everyone had decided that he was no more a pet, which is why he was supposed to be sent in a zoo, and everybody had agreed but his wife did not. While she did not agree initially, she had to give in for everyone's safety. After the official paperwork, he was ready for the Mysore Zoo. So now, even though the wife did not agree, but she had to send him to the zoo because everybody's safety was at stake. All the paperwork was done and the bear Bruno was ready to go to Mysore Zoo. Bruno, which was earlier, now he was Baba. the wife missed him terribly and asked everyone to visit the zoo about his well-being. She learned that Baba was not eating well and remained sad all day. So the wife had missed him a lot, and she told everybody to go visit the zoo and see if he is doing okay. But later she gets to know that Baba is not eating his meals properly and he was sad all day long. So after 3 months, she decides to visit him herself. So 3 months she did not see him, but she got to know that he was not eating properly and he was sad also. So she had decided that after 3 months, she's going to visit him. Although everyone told her that Baba would not recognize her, he surprised everyone by recognizing her in a jiffy. So now everybody thought that it has been 3 months and Baba will not recognize the wife, but he did, and everybody was surprised. After that, she petted and pampered him and spent a lot of time with him. So after she met him, she petted him. Petted means she used to give him hugs and pamper him as much as possible, and she had spent good quality time with him. However, she could not leave him, so she decided to take him back. So because again she met him after months and she was very attached to him, she decided that she is going to take him back home and she is not going to let him stay in the zoo alone. After the formalities, she finally brought him back home and made a special island for him with deep dry pit and his belongings. So after they returned home, she had done all the formalities and she had made an island for him. She had made a pit. Pit means a hole, a big hole in the ground, and she had kept all the belongings that were his. She finally reunited with Baba and spent her days petting him and making him sleep in her lap, sharing the true bond of love. So after he came back, both of them were very happy. They reunited and she always gave him a lot of time and she used to pamper him, give him all the hugs and love, and used to make him sleep on her lap. And they used to appreciate, and she was feeling blessed and thankful for the bond of love that she shared with the animal, with Baba or Bruno. So that's it for the chapter. The story is basically about the love between the speaker's wife and the bear, which was gifted by the speaker. And this is how the chapter ends. It is a very easy chapter. I suggest please read it line by line, and if there is any sentence that is not understood by you, you can ask me. So that's it for the chapter and the video. Thank you so much for your patience, all of you.